Shashin.
Fine work.
I say we go back, Sigurd. Give those dogs a good knock around and take whatever treasures they have. Easy pickings.
Just tell him, Dheug.
Not today, Dad. We press on until we reach our goal. We cannot afford another surprise. Now be on your guard. It should not be far.
Gods, I'm ravenous. I hope they're
Más sin a flaintin, ha mis cys gyda, ai, he, cymwyl y dal.
ahead of us, Sigurd. To get something on the spit.
If Halfdan, Ubba, and Ivar Ragnarsson are lacking
Fóna cym yn
fuel in
dweud
England, then all of us will starve. Have no worry.
Ah, I can see it now. A suckling pig, tender and juicy. And ale as gold as the treasures that we failed to steal back there.
Simple pleasures, aren't you, Dheug?
And he is happier for it. For my part, I look forward to standing in the footsteps of the giants that built this land.
What giants?
Os ganel, hangers an Chin near Kujach,
They
feisting.
and their ruins dot the landscape. Every brick and stone tells a story of conquest and glory. And now, they are rubble and ash.
Ready to be remade. We will rebuild their empire brick by brick, and ours will not crumble to dust.
All things end, Dog. The ruins are not a warning. They are a testament. Look there, just ahead, where the sons of Ragnar make their camp.
At last, to find our feet on steady ground.
Sigurd, pull back. Something isn't right.
Good eye. There's too little movement for an army. Only tents and a few men.
Not the army we hope to find?
No. Let us get a closer look.
So, na dal. Oh, Mikhail.
Those are not Norsemen. They're too ragged and soiled.
We should proceed on foot, as they spot the boats.
Dheug and I will go together.
We all go. If they are friends, I wish to meet them as they are. And if they are foes, then we fight them all, together.
Jay hat hachert. Oh.
Who are these men?
They speak with twisted accents. English, no doubt.
Eivor, on me.
Okay. Well, gaat er over zijn bullig. Oh, Jay hat hachert.
Oi, what's this? A mess of filthy Danes befouling our riverways? You there? Give us your name.
I am Sigurd Jarl of Fornberg. And you are...
Men who do not take kindly to Dane invaders creeping into our camp. You'd best move along, pagan. Spare yourselves a slaughter.
You threaten Norsemen with a play of swords and expect us to cower?
I have been 8 days at sea without a drop of blood to wet my axe. So spare the chatter, buckerouts, and draw your weapon.
Kashing.
Let's finish them!
Kill these heathen bastards!
You have what you wished for, Dheug.
Wow. Dat tell him to be at the Okay. Dus. Well, chat gomaith ar náisiúnta cin dú. Duine Canada is America, fáilte ar bhúla. Sin. Get a chasan a charich.
You're dead.
Oof. Usa.
Won't go down easy. Have a look around, all of you. I want no more surprises.
Right. I will check the longhouse.
Cabil. Taya sin, eh?
Wait. Who are you? Are you with those brigands as well?
Sigurd,
Company.
Dheug, in here. Those men had prisoners.
Wel, can you shop bwlach a gwybod y fel? Cymryd y repes mi. Colas nach rep. Right, here he's in. Oh, okay.
Eivor, look at this.
A noise trap. Might be something inside. I will have a look.
You there! Untie us! Let us walk and we will not hurt you!
Quite bold in those bindings. I like your spirit.
We are very agreeable people, I promise. You need not kill us.
Peace, friend. We have no need or wish to hurt you. What are your names?
Yenli. I'm a merchant, not a bandit like those others. And this is Rowan.
Rowan, that's right. I'm a stable hand, that's all. I keep horses and, well, I did, till those brigands sold them off.
They meant to sell us next, as slaves to the nearest bidder. But I raked their eyes out before I let that happen.
And how did you find yourselves here?
We came to trade with the Sons of Ragnar, at Halfdan Jarl's asking. But they were gone when we arrived.
Unbind them.
Catch and Jack. Clown Ragnar.
You know the Sons of Ragnar?
Aye, sold many a mare and stallion to the brothers. Good men, always paid me fair.
From the look of this camp, they've been gone for some time. Where will you go now? What will you do?
Rebuild my stocks, start anew. I have friends and allies across the land to aid me, but it won't be easy.
Every town and village needs a stable to keep horses fit and trim. I'll find my footing again, somewhere.
What are you thinking?
Use their skills as we get settled. Having access to trade and someone to tend our mounts would be a boon.
My thoughts as well. Any friend of the Ragnarsons is a friend of mine. Right, Dheug?
Whatever you think is best, Sigurd.
Janli, Rowan, I am Sigurd Jarl of Fornberg, son of Styrbjörn. This is Eivor and Dheug. Both of you are free to go, but more than welcome to stay if you're willing to pull your weight.
We'd be happy to, if only to get back on our feet.
Then let it be done. The Raven clan welcomes you. From strangers into friends, into family.
Uh-oh.
The others have arrived. Come.
Stach in nach hair. Oh, hayi.
I have a good feeling about this place.
Honored family, friends, welcome to your new home.
Tell him, Jack. Na Helenin? Seo sin. Seo ar Ceann-uidhe an assassin. Dahan go maith etrialachta bha Fornberg.